Hello everyone. Welcome to Akriti, Art of Mathematics, Simple Mathematics classes. I am Sudhir MK. In this class, I am going to discuss about sets, and this is sets class 1. Daily we see many things around us. Consider these items. What are these? There are pens, watches, vegetables, etc. It is not possible to give name together to these items. In everyday life, we see collection of objects of a particular kind, such as clothes, eatables, a crowd of people, a cricket team, stationery items, etc. It should be a particular kind of collection. There are some collection which are well defined. Now consider these items. We can make group of these things. See, consider here I have pencil, then it is pen, and here it is sketch pen, and here it is chocolates and watches and vegetables. Now consider some Hindi film stars. These all are Hindi film stars. Now here I properly defined these all are Hindi film stars. Well-defined collection of objects is called set. So set means it is well-defined collection of objects. Suppose you consider numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is one set. Now you consider A, E, I, O, U. That is vowels. It is also one set. And consider some mathematical sign plus, minus, multiplication, division, less than, greater than. So this is also one set. This is also collection of geometrical shapes. So these all are well-defined collections. Now how to define set? Set is a well-defined collection of objects. So if we define properly what is there in that group, then it is called as set. Well-defined means we can definitely decide whether a particular object belongs to a given collection or not. If any object is given, we can decide whether it belongs to given collection or not. So that's why it is called as well-defined. Consider collection of rivers of India. The river Nile does not belong to this collection. So river Nile does not belong to this collection. It is sure. The river Ganga belongs to this collection, but Ganga belongs to this collection. That is collection of rivers of India. Consider some other examples. Suppose if I ask, name 5 best cricketers. It is difficult to name 5 best cricketers. That is, it is not given whether they are batsmen or bowlers. So this is not well defined. So name intelligent students. Now again, this is also not well defined. Intelligent means how they are intelligent, whether they scored 100 out of 100 or more than 70%. So therefore, this is again not defined properly. Best Hindi actor. Here also it is not defined properly. These all are not sets. So these all are not well defined. So therefore, these all are not sets. Therefore, set means it is a well defined collection of objects. We define set as well defined collection of objects. Sets are denoted by capital letters A, B, C or X, Y. So we denote sets by capital letters. Example, we know numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. These all are natural numbers and we denote it by capital letter N. So therefore, set is denoted by capital letters. And these numbers, it is 0, plus 1, minus 1, plus 2, minus 2, etc. We have 0, positive numbers, negative numbers. Altogether, it is called as integers and it is denoted by I. Therefore, sets are always denoted by capital letters. Now we consider natural numbers. N equal to, we have numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. Objects or terms or members of a set are called elements. So these numbers are called elements of this set. So therefore 1, 2, 3 are elements of natural numbers. Elements of a set are represented by small letters. We use small letters to represent elements. Normally we write small letter A, B, C, X, Y, etc. So consider example, we know vowels. So we denote it by capital letters V equal to, when we write elements, we write in small letters, that is A, E, I, O, U. So therefore, we denote sets by capital letters and we write elements in small letters. If A is an element of a set A, then we write A belongs to A. So this is symbol for belongs to. So we read this as A belongs to A. That is, if A is an element of a set A, then we write like this. That is, A belongs to A. If B is not an element of a set A, then we write B does not belongs to A. So belongs to and one cut. It is does not belongs to A. It is read as B does not belongs to A. Now we consider one example. Consider natural numbers. We have 1, 2, 3, etc. Now here 1, whether it belongs to or does not belongs to. Now here 1 is there in set N. So therefore we write belongs to. So 1 belongs to N means 1 is there in set N. 1 is an element of a set N. And 2.5. So 2.5 is a decimal number. Decimal numbers are not there in natural numbers. So therefore 2.5 does not belongs to N. So 2.5 does not belongs to N. Sets are represented by two methods. Now we represent sets by two different methods. Example, we take natural numbers. We write directly elements. We write numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. Or we can write like this in sentence. That is, X is a natural number. So we can write directly all the elements, or we can write in sentence. So these are two methods. Now first method, writing all the elements like this, it is called as roster or tabular form. So writing all the elements together, it is called as roster or tabular form. And writing in sentence, this is called as set builder form, or it is also called as rule method. Now we see what is roster form. In this method, the elements of a set are listed, elements are separated by commas and are enclosed within flower bracket. Now here directly we write elements and it is separated by commas, and important, we have to write inside the flower bracket. So consider example. So we can write set A equal to 2, 4, 8, 16. So here we write elements inside the flower bracket and all elements are separated by commas. And natural numbers, n equal to, it is 1, 2, 3, etc. Here also we use flower bracket, all elements are separated by commas. Integers, I, we write all the numbers inside the flower bracket, all elements are separated by commas. Now consider one set M. I will take M equal to some Hindi film stars. So these all are Hindi film stars. Now we consider one more set, F equal to. I can consider this as Aishwarya Rai, Deepika Padukone, Kangana, Kajol and Isha Deol. So these all are Hindi film stars, but they are female Hindi film stars. When we write set, we have to write all the elements inside the flower bracket and it should be separated by commas. Here all elements are separated by commas and written inside the flower bracket. So this is called roster method. Next one, it is rule method. In this method, the common property or the rule how the elements are obtained is defined. Now here we have to define in sentence how the elements are obtained. We write example A equal to, it is vowels in English alphabet. Now important how to read this. So this is read as set of all X. So you have to start from here. It is set of all X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. So reading is important. You have to start with bracket, that is set. It is set of all X and this indicates such that. So it is such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. So it is read as set of all X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. This is called as rule method, where we write sets in sentence. You can set M. Now this is in roster form. Now I can write this in set builder form as M equal to set of all X such that X belongs to H. That is, X belongs to Hindi film stars and X is male. So these all are male Hindi film stars. So therefore, I can write in rule method like this. It is set of all X such that X belongs to H and X is male. So next, some note. First one, the order of elements in a set has no importance. Now what is meant by order? Order means first element, second element, like that. Place value. So in sets, there is no place value. Consider one example. Set A, it is 2, 4, 8, 16. and same set we can write it as 8, 4, 16, 2. Now here elements are same, so but only order is different, so therefore these two sets are same. Now here order is not important, so in sets order is not important. You consider set F, it is Aishwarya Rai, Deepika Padukone, Kangana, Kajal and Isha Dayal. Now this set, it is same as Kajal, Kangana, Aishwarya Rai, Isha Dayal and Deepika Padukone. So here only order is changed, all members are same, so therefore these two sets are equal. So here set F and set A are equal. So next note, the repetition of elements in a set does not affect the set. That is, when elements are repeated, it is not counted. So consider example. Suppose you consider one set A equal to 2, 4, 8, 16. Now I can write same set as 2, 4, 8, 4, 16, 16. Now here 4 is repeated, 16 is repeated, but it does not matter. So here if elements are repeated, it does not affect the set. We will not count this as two elements. So this is single element. So 4 is single element here. 16 is also, we count it as only single element. You consider set M. Here we have Ranbir Kapoor, Abhishek Bachchan, Akshay Kumar and Amitabh Bachchan. In set H also, it is Ranbir Kapoor, Amitabh Bachchan, Akshay Kumar and Abhishek Bachchan. Repetitions of persons or repetition of elements does not affect the set here. So we write M set and H set are equal. Now we solve some problems from exercise 1.1. First one, which of the following are sets? You have to tell whether the following are sets or not. First one, A, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. If you get talented, intelligent, these all are not well defined. What is meant by talented? It is not given, so that's why it is not a set. So this is not a set. So this collection is not a set. The collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. Now here we can directly tell the months which are beginning with the J, that is January, June, July. So therefore this is well defined. So therefore this collection is well defined. So it is a set. So it is a set. Next one, the collection of all even integers. Now we know that even integers are 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. And even we can take minus also. So it is well defined. So therefore this collection is well defined. So therefore it is a set. The collection of all even integers. It may be positive, negative, anything. So it is a well defined collection. So therefore it is a set. The collection of all boys in your class. Now here also it is well defined. So it is only boys of your class. So therefore it is well defined. Therefore it is a set. Next one, the collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Now here also natural numbers less than 100 means it is 1, 2, 3 up to 99. So it is also well defined collection. Therefore it is a set. It is a set. The next one, a collection of novels written by the writer Monesh Premchand. Here also it is novels written by only this person. Therefore this is also well defined. So it is only novels written by Monesh Premchand. So it is a set. Next one, the collection of all prime integers. Here also it is well defined. It should be prime integers. This is also well defined collection of objects. So therefore this is a set. So it is also a set. Next one, the collection of questions in this chapter. You have to select questions only from this chapter. So again, this is also well defined. So therefore it is a set. Here we have to select questions from only this chapter. It is well defined. So therefore it is a set. Next one, the collection of most dangerous animals of the world. Now here again it is given most dangerous. Most dangerous means how much dangerous? It is not given. So therefore this is not well defined. Therefore it is not a set. So this is not a set. So here it is given most dangerous. We don't know which animals are most dangerous. So therefore it is not well defined collection. Therefore it is not a set. Next one, a team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So here also it is given best cricket batsman. So it is best cricket batsman. Again here it is not well defined. Best means how it is best. It is not well defined. So therefore this is not well defined collection. So therefore this is not a set. So it is not a set. So next question. Let A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insert the symbol belongs to or does not belongs to. So just we have to insert symbol belongs to or does not belongs to. First question 5. Now 5 belongs to A or does not belongs to A. Now here 5 is an element of A. So therefore 5 belongs to A. So we write 5 belongs to A. So next 8. Whether it is belongs to or does not belongs to. 8 is not there in set A. So therefore 8 does not belongs to A. Next one 0. Now 0 is also not there in set A. So therefore 0 does not belongs to A. The next one 4. Now here we have 4. 4 is an element of A. So therefore we write 4 belongs to A. The next one 2. 2 is also element of A. So therefore we write 2 belongs to A. The next one 10. 10 is not there. So here numbers are from 1 to 6 only. So 10 does not belongs to A. So 10 is not an element of set A. The next question. Write the following sets in roster form. Now here we have to write in roster form. So A equal to set of all x such that x is an integer and x is greater than -3 less than 7. Now here it is x is more than -3 and less than 7. You have to write all the elements. Roster form means you have to write all the elements inside the flower bracket. Directly you have to write integers which are more than -3 less than 7. That is we can write set A equal to numbers which are more than -3. That is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Number should be less than 7. So it is A equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is in roster form. So next one, B equal to set of all x such that x is a natural number and less than 6. It should be natural numbers. So natural numbers start with 1. So therefore set B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. So therefore B equal to set containing numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is set B. The next one, C equal to set of all x such that x is a 2-digit number such that the sum of its digit is 8. You have to write 2-digit number. It should be a 2-digit number such that when we add the digits, we have to get 8. So you have to start from 10, 11, 12, etc. up to 99. But one more condition is when we add 2 digits, that is suppose we consider 11, 1 plus 1 is 2, it is not possible. So here we have to add the digits and we have to get 8. So first number is 1 plus 7 is 8. So therefore it is 17. So first number is 17 and next number is 2 and 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. So it is 26. 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. So next number is 35. Then 4 plus 4 is 8. Next number is 44. 5 plus 3 is also 8. So it is 53. 6 plus 2 is 8. 62. 7 plus 1 is 8. 71. 8 plus 0 is 80. So 8 is also 2-digit number whose sum of the digit is 8. So therefore 17, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71, 80 are elements of set C. So consider next one. D equal to set of all x such that x is a prime number which are divisors of 60. Now you have to write divisors of 60 but it should be only prime numbers. So you have to write prime divisors of 60. So prime numbers start from 2. 1 is neither prime nor composite. So you have to start from 2. So first prime number is 2. 2 divides 60. So it is possible. So next it is 3. Possible. 3 is a prime number and divides 60. And next number is 5. All other divisors are not prime numbers. So here answer is only 2, 3 and 5. So 2, 3, 5 are prime divisors of 60. So next one, E equal to the set of all letters in the word trigonometry. Now here we have to write all the letters in the word trigonometry. Now here important, when we write all the letters, repetition is not counted. So we should not repeat the elements. So when we write set, elements should not be repeat. So therefore we can write E equal to the letters T, R, I, G, O, N. So again no need to write O, already it is here. So therefore we write M, E, again T is already here. So no need to write that. R is also here, and next last letter is Y. So therefore letters used here it is T, R, I, G, O, N, M, E, Y. And no need to write in order also. So it is order is not important. So just we write all the letters used in trigonometry. So this is T, R, I, G, O, N, M, E, Y. So these letters are used in trigonometry. So next one, F equal to the set of all letters in the word better. Same type. Now here which letters are used? B is used, E is used, T is used 2 times, but we write only 1 times. Again E is already here, and R. So it is B, E, T, R. So letters used here it is only B, E, T, R. So it is set F equal to B, E, T, R. Next question. G equal to solution set of the equation x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. That is, you have to write solution of this equation. So we have to write solution of this equation in this set G. So first we solve this equation. It is given x square plus x minus 2 equal to 0. We know how to split middle term. When we multiply, you have to get 2, and subtract, you have to get 1. That is 2 and 1. We can split the middle number. So we can write x square plus 2x minus x minus 2 equal to 0. And here x is common. We can write x into x plus 2. And here minus 1 is common. Minus 1 into x plus 2 is 0. And again x plus 2 is common. It is x plus 2 into x minus 1 equal to 0. When we solve this, we get x equal to minus 2, and we get x equal to 1. So these are 2 solutions. That is x equal to minus 2 and 1. And when we write in set, we write G equal to minus 2 and 1. So it should be written inside the flower bracket separated by commas. So G equal to set minus 2 and 1. Or 1 or minus 2. Both are possible. So G equal to 1 comma minus 2. It is also possible. So next, H equal to set of all x such that x is a positive integer and x square should be less than 40. So here it should be positive integer. So it should be only positive numbers, and when you square that, it should be less than 40. A positive integer start from 1. 1 square is 1. It is less than 40. So 1 is possible. 2 square is 4. It is also possible. 3 square is 9. Possible. 4 square is 16. Possible. 5 square 25. Possible. 6 square 36. Possible. 7 square 49. So 7 square is 49. So it is not possible. So therefore numbers are 1 to 6 only. So that is, when we square, number should be less than 40. So it is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square are less than 40. So answer is only the numbers 1 to 6. Therefore set H is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Next question. Write the following sets in set builders form. So they will give in roster form. You write in set builder form. So write in sentence. First one, A equal to 3, 6, 9, 12. Now what is 3, 6, 9, 12? We can write in different ways. These are all multiples of 3. That is only first 4 multiples of 3. That is also positive multiples. You have to define properly. Or we can write it is set of all x such that x equal to 3n. So it is 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12. Here n should belong to natural number. So n is starting with 1. So therefore n is natural number. And here we take only 1, 2, 3, 4. N value is 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore n should be greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 4. Or else we can write A equal to set of all x such that x is first 4 positive multiples of 3. So like that also we can write. So next question, it is B equal to 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Now what are these numbers? It is 2 to the power 1 is 2, and here it is 2 square is 4, and here 2 cube is 8, and here it is 2 to the power 4 is 16, and 2 to the power 5 is 32. So these all are powers of 2. So we can write set B equal to all x such that x equal to 2 to the power n. So 2 to the power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5 up to 5 only. So that is n is from 1 to 5. So we have to write set of all x such that x equal to 2 to the power n and n belongs to n. So n is natural number and n should be greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 5. These all are 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4 and 2 power 5. Next one, C equal to 5, 25, 125, 625. Now here also it is 5 to the power 1 is 5, 5 square is 25, 5 cube is 125, 5 to the power 4 is 625. So we can write set of all x such that x equal to 5 to the power n and n belongs to n and n should be greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 4. Only 4 powers, 5 to the power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3 and 5 power 4. So next one, d equal to 2, 4, 6, etc. Now these all are even numbers and this is positive even numbers or positive natural numbers. So we can write in different ways. Now here set of all x such that x is an even natural numbers. We can write even positive integers or we can write even natural numbers. So here d equal to set of all x such that x is an even natural number. Next question, e equal to 149 up to 100. Now what are these numbers? 149 up to 100. So that is 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9 up to this last number. So this is 10 square. So 10 square is 100. That is square of first 10 natural numbers. So you can write it is set of all x such that x is square of first 10 natural numbers. So these are square of first 10 natural numbers. The next, set f equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. Again it is same type, but here it is last number is not given, it is given etc. So therefore it is square of all natural numbers. So there is no last number. So therefore we can write it is f equal to set of all x such that x is the square of a natural number. So it is square of a natural number, or we can write like this, x equal to set of all x such that x equal to n square, where n belongs to n. We can write in any one method. The next question, g equal to set 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5, 5 by 6 and 6 by 7. Now how to write this in set builder form? So you write in sentence. Now see these numbers. Now here it is 1 and here it is 2. That is 2 can be written as 1 plus 1. Here it is 2, 2 plus 1 3 and here 3, 3 plus 1 4 and here it is 4, 4 plus 1 5 and here it is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6 and here it is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. In denominator you have 1 more than the numerator. So therefore you can write here if it is n, here it is n plus 1 and last number is 6. If it is 6, here it is 6 plus 1. So therefore n is up to 6 only. You take n divided by n plus 1. So it is set containing numbers of the form n divided by n plus 1. So we can write it is set of all x such that x equal to n divided by n plus 1, where n belongs to n and n value. So it is starting with 1 and last number is 6, not 7. So we take n here and this is n plus 1. So therefore n is from 1 to 6. So n is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 6. So therefore g is same as set of all x such that x equal to n by n plus 1, where n belongs to n and n is greater than or equal to 1, less than or equal to 6. So next question, h equal to 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now what are these numbers? 1, 2, 3 and 6. So they are natural numbers, they are positive numbers, they are integers also, but all numbers are not there. So now here we have only 1, 2, 3 and 6. So these numbers are divisors of 6. So these are positive divisors of 6. And we can write x is set of natural numbers and it is divisor of 6. We can write h equal to set of all x such that x is a natural number and divisor of 6. All these are natural numbers and also divisor of 6. The next one, I equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. It is not all odd numbers, it is numbers less than 10. Or we can write this as I equal to set of all x such that x is an odd natural numbers less than 10. Next question, list the elements of the following sets. You have to write again all the elements. So they will give in set builder form, you have to write in roster form. First one, a equal to set of all x such that x is an odd natural numbers. It is all odd natural numbers. So here it is 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Here it given odd natural numbers. So it is 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Next set, b equal to set of all x such that x is an integer and x is greater than minus half and less than 9 by 2. So here x should be more than minus half, that is minus 0.5 and less than 9 by 2. 9 by 2 means 4.5. We have tried all the integers which are greater than minus 0.5 and less than 4.5. Integers means only complete numbers. So numbers more than minus 0.5 is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So number should be less than 4.5. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Number should be greater than minus half and less than 9 by 2. So it is greater than minus 0.5 and less than 4.5. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So next one, c equal to set of all x such that x is an integer and x square less than or equal to 4. So x is an integer, it should be integer, positive or negative, but when you square that, it should be less than or equal to 4. Consider 0, 0 square is 0, so it is possible. 1 square is 1, it is also less than 4, possible. 2 square, 4, less than or equal to 4, so it is equal, so it is possible. But 3 square, 9, not possible. Now even we can take negative numbers also. It is minus 1. Minus 1 square is 1. So minus 1 square is 1. So it is 1 is less than 4, possible. Minus 2 square is 4. So minus 2 square is less than or equal to 4, possible. Minus 3 square is 9 plus 9. So it is not possible. So numbers are only 0, plus 1 or minus 1, plus 2 or minus 2. So we can write c equal to minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. The next set, d equal to set of all x such that x is a letter in the word loyal, L-O-Y-A-L. You have to write all the letters. Here we have letters L, O, Y, A. L is already here repeated, so no need to write that. So therefore d equal to set L, O, Y, A. So we have to write all the letters. It is L, O, Y, A. Next one, e equal to set of all x such that x is a month of a year not having 31 days. So we have to write months which does not have 31 days. So it is February, April, June, September and November. Other months have 31 days. So these months does not have 31 days. So therefore e equal to February, April, June, September and November. Next one, f equal to set of all x such that x is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes k. So you have to write all the consonant. Precedes means before k. You have to write only consonant, not vowels. So a is not possible. So we have to write b, c, d. E is not possible. F, g, h, I is not possible, and k. It should be before k. So therefore it is b, c, d, f, g, h, j. This is set f. The next one, g equal to set of all x such that x is a positive integer and is a divisor of 18. So you have to write positive divisor of 18. So that is, you know that 1 is a positive divisor, 2 is a positive divisor, 3 is also a positive divisor, 6, 9 and 18. So only these are divisors of 18 and are positive. So therefore it is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Next one, h equal to set of all x such that x is an integer and x square minus 9 equal to 0. You write all the values of x for which x square minus 9 equal to 0. So solve this. That is x square minus 9 equal to 0 means x square equal to 9. So that is x equal to plus 3 or minus 3. Both are possible. That is 3 square minus 9 is 0 or minus 3 square minus 9 is also 0. So therefore plus 3 and minus 3 both are possible. So h equal to plus 3 and minus 3 or minus 3 plus 3, anything. Order is not important here. So therefore h equal to 3 comma minus 3. So next problem, I equal to set of all x such that x is a prime number and a divisor of 6. Now here you have to write divisor of 6, but it should be a prime number. So we know that prime number start with 2. 1 is neither prime nor composite, so 1 is not possible. And next number is 3. So both are divisor of 6 and 6 is a divisor of 6 but it's not prime number. So answer is only 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 prime numbers and divisor of 6. So therefore I equal to set 2 and 3. The next one, j equal to set of all x such that x is an integer and x plus 1 equal to 1. You have to solve this. That is x plus 1 equal to 1 means x equal to 1 minus 1, 0. That is x equal to 0. So therefore here set j is set containing 0. So it is j equal to set with 0 only. That's all in this video. I will continue this chapter explanation in next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for more video notification. Subscribe my YouTube channel Akriti Mathematics Classes. Thank you once again.